Welcome to our exploration of exciting careers in engineering and design. Today, we'll dive into 4 fascinating professions that shape our world in unique ways. Industrial engineering technologists and technicians, the production problem solvers. These professionals are the unsung heroes of manufacturing efficiency. They assist engineers in optimizing production layouts and processes, ensuring smooth operations on factory floors. With an associate's degree, you could earn a median annual wage of $62,610 in this role. Industrial engineers, the systems masterminds. Taking it a step further, industrial engineers design, develop, and test integrated systems for managing industrial production processes. They're the big picture thinkers who streamline operations and boost productivity. A bachelor's degree in this field could lead to a median annual wage of $99,380. Landscape architects, the outdoor space visionaries. If you have a passion for blending nature with human-made environments, landscape architecture might be your calling. These creative professionals design parks and other outdoor spaces, bringing beauty and functionality to our communities. With a bachelor's degree, landscape architects earn a median annual wage of $79,320. Marine engineers and naval architects, the maritime innovators. For those drawn to the sea, marine engineering and naval architecture offer exciting opportunities. These specialists design, develop, and evaluate the operation of marine vessels, ship machinery, and related equipment. A bachelor's degree in this field could lead to a median annual wage of $100,270. Each of these careers offers unique challenges and rewards, contributing to the advancement of technology, efficiency, and design in our world. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Which profession focuses on designing parks and outdoor spaces? A. Industrial engineers. B. Landscape architects. C. Marine engineers. What is the median annual wage for industrial engineers? A. $62,610. B. $99,380. C. $100,270. Which career requires only an associate's degree? A. Industrial engineering technologists and technicians. B. Landscape architects. C. Marine engineers and naval architects. Who is responsible for designing and evaluating marine vessels? A. Industrial engineers. B. Landscape architects. C. Marine engineers and naval architects. Which profession has the highest median annual wage among those listed? A. Industrial engineers. B. Landscape architects. C. Marine engineers and naval architects. We hope this information has inspired you to explore these exciting career paths in engineering and design. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more educational-based content that will help you in school. Have a